Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy STX STX token on Coinbase. So log into your Coinbase account and after that you will arrive at this page. So what we will do, we will go to the upper section over here and there you will see deposit, buy and sell and send and receive. After that, you can click on buy and sell and then you will be redirected to this page. So what we want to buy is STX. So we will tick in the search bar STX and there you will see stacks. Just click on it. After that, you can simply fill in the amount of stacks you want to buy. And what we can do is we can fill in the amount, and after that you can select the purchase frequency. We would like to make a one-time purchase, but you can also select different purchase frequencies if you like to. But for now we will leave it on one-time purchase. After that you can see I don't have enough funds in my account, so for now I won't review my order. But if you would like to review your order, then just click on the asset you would like to pay with. For me, it's my Euro wallet. But if you are using dollars, just select it in the list over here. And after that, you can review your order. After that, there will be an overview of the costs you will pay to Coinbase to buy the coins. And if you decide to buy them now, click on buy now and the coins will be added to your wallet. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.